Mark Williams was raving about the tables and pockets.
But there's value if it does go in. He's taking it on. Looks good. Very good. Oh, the cue ball has gone very close to this corner pocket.
Oh, it might be snookered on the black, you know. Yeah, in fact, 14 centimetres this week. He's played that well.
Lost the out for the green.
The tournament average shot time, not much between them. And I think that's a little indication of how well the Robertsans.
The influence of Joe Perry that would have highlighted it to him. It was up to 28 seconds a shot a couple of years ago. But he's much better when he's playing at that rapid pace. 21, 22 seconds sometimes. Good pot into this right corner. See it. It's just reeled in.
Triangle goes into number 2. And it clearly does, but he's coming up short. He'll wait for that.
Good play on.
Certainly a round of applause. Everybody loves a plant. With the 2 reds, just gently into that. Taking the opening frame. Always nice.
Just have no doubt, particularly when you're playing one of the best in the business. Quick glance at the score, but this has been very impressive. He looks very calm, very composed. I'm extremely confident, and this is a
62.
Wonderful start from him. And it's a little signal to his opponent as well. Send out a message that, okay, you miss, backs off the spot, and give me a chance, as he's missed that black.
Where is it? 62.
Well, maybe coming back to the table, what an unexpected miss. That red was a bit of a distraction there. Just put him off slightly. One snooker, so he doesn't have to get blacks.
Point.
To get that cue ball tight to the blue, so it doesn't have a one cushion escape.
Hey, Robertsan 7.
Yeah, it's okay, but I think it's a little off.
Wow. Hey, Robertsan 4.
A little bit careless, that.
I can't believe he played it that way, Dennis. I mean, if he goes inside the blue, it's 2 reds, 2 blacks. It's not easy.
What's like that? All of a sudden, can get a bit close. Open the frame. Along the way, but it's over. He was at the spot. Oh, he's got it. He's got it. He's put it perfectly. What a shot that is.
Brilliant shot. And I'll tell you what, Dennis, he's got a beautiful angle. I know he may not try it, but he could run into the blue with the cue ball here, bring the blue into play. It'd be a little bit risky.
I think that's what he's trying.
Oh, what a shot. What a shot. Wow, what a turnaround this would be. And what an
16.
open frame.
It certainly didn't look on, did it, where the table was, but he's developed them, and well, he must be in a little bit of shock because he was just that one pot away from a comfortable win in the opening frame. Just come up a bit short, so he needs the extension on his cue, the extended rest. Just makes everything a little bit more difficult, the pot and the position.
Nicely on the ground.
Thank you much.
And it just goes to show, doesn't it, that you have to keep your 100% concentration on every single shot. That missed black, and even the escape from the snooker, just played it both shots a little bit carelessly, and could be well and truly punished here. What a
25.
break this is so far from Neil Robertsan.
Top 10.
But he didn't get on the pink as he intended,
Robertsan,
and he had to play that with a lot of side, and because of the pace, it threw the white off line slightly, but that's all because he had to play it with lots of left-hand side. It'll be a very relieved Yize, because he made an earlier break of 62, and Neil Robertsan looked like he was going to pinch the frame, but in the end, he made a bit of a mess of the pink. It's 1-0 to the Chinese player.